What's the meaning of cuppa? Cuppa. Cuppa.
Cuppa. Cuppa. Cuppa is a British English slang term that refers to a cup of tea. The term is derived from the phrase cup of. It is a casual and colloquial word that is commonly used in everyday conversation in the UK. The word is often associated with a warm and comforting beverage that is typically shared with friends or family. Enjoying a cuppa is seen as a way to relax, unwind, and connect with others. Overall, cuppa is a word that embodies the cozy and convivial aspects of British culture.